Jasmine and the Vanishing Star. Once upon a time, in the magnificent city of Agrabah, Princess Jasmine was busily decorating the palace courtyard for the annual holiday celebration. As she hung shimmering lights and colorful ribbons, she couldn't help but notice the twinkling stars above, casting their magical glow over the palace. But as the night grew darker, Jasmine gasped in dismay as she saw the brightest star in the sky suddenly disappear. It was as if someone had plucked it right out of the heavens, and then, one by one, more stars began to vanish, dimming the enchanting beauty of the evening. Just then, Aladdin arrived, holding a beautifully wrapped gift in his hand. "Jasmine, I have something for you," he said with a smile. "I found this celestial map in the marketplace, and I believe it may hold the key to solving the mystery of the disappearing stars." Curious and intrigued, Jasmine eagerly unwrapped the gift and unfurled the ancient map. As she studied its intricate patterns and symbols, she realized that the stars were being drawn towards a hidden cave in the desert. Without hesitation, Jasmine and Aladdin summoned the magic carpet and set off on their journey to investigate the strange phenomenon. Flying high above the golden sands, they followed the map's directions until they reached the entrance of the mysterious cave. Stepping inside, Jasmine and Aladdin were greeted by the sight of an ancient artifact, a shimmering crystal that pulsed with a strange, otherworldly light. The artifact seemed to be absorbing the starlight, drawing the stars towards it like moths to a flame. Realizing the danger of the situation, Jasmine and Aladdin sprang into action. Working together with quick thinking and teamwork, they devised a plan to deactivate the artifact and release the trapped starlight back into the sky. With a burst of light and a loud humming sound, the artifact flickered and went dark, its malevolent power extinguished. And just like that, the stars began to reappear in the heavens above, twinkling brightly once more. As they made their way back to the palace, Jasmine and Aladdin felt a sense of pride and accomplishment. The courtyard sparkled with the radiance of 1,000 stars, casting a magical glow over the holiday celebration. And as the people of Agrabah danced and sang beneath the starlit heavens, Jasmine and Aladdin knew that their bond was stronger than ever. Together, they had saved the stars and brought joy and wonder to the city once more. And so, the palace courtyard was filled with laughter and music, the air filled with the sweet scent of jasmine flowers. And as the night wore on, the stars continued to twinkle overhead, a reminder of the magic and wonder that lay within each and every one of us.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.